Hello beautiful people. In today's video I'll be sharing how you can use goat meat offals to make this type of delicious stew. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Benedicta. To my returning viewers, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for always tuning in to watch my video. Thank you for keeping the channel on, and to those that have not subscribed, kindly do so. Turn up your notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. So guys, to make this stew we need goat meat offals. I actually bought it for pepper soup, but I just thought to myself, let me try something different. The first thing I will do now is to first of all parboil this meat before seasoning it. Okay, the reason is to make sure it's not dark. I don't like my offals being dark, whether I'm using it for pepper soup or for any other thing. I don't like it being dark, so I will cover this right now and allow it to boil for some minutes. Can you see how it's looking? If you allow your pepper soup like this or your offals like this, it will come out so dark at the end of the day, so I don't want it to be like that. So I'll put off the gas and wash this meat very well. I will wash it very well to be clean before seasoning it. Yes guys, this is how it's looking. It's looking so clean. So right now I'll go ahead and season with salt, chopped onions and garlic. I'm not using ginger for this recipe. Then I'll add curry powder. That is cinnamon powder. I didn't know that I was running out of it, but I'm going to restock. So right now I'll add some pepper mix. So to mix that together, I'll also be adding a seasoning cube. Okay. Yeah, I'm adding seasoning cube. You mix it thoroughly. So I'll cover this pot. I'll cover it to steam before adding water. I want all the ingredients to enter it very well. So right now I'm adding water. This is the water that will be enough for this offals to cook very well. Okay, so I'll cover this to cook. Yes, this is what we have is ready. So I'll just go ahead and remove everything from the pot. I'm also going to be using the stock. Okay, can you see how clean and beautiful it is? It's not black, but if you cook it like that, it will be black. So right now in a pot, I will add the oil I want to use. I've already grinded the pepper I want to use for this stew. It's a blend of tomatoes, shombo, pepper, onions, ginger and garlic. So the first thing I will do now is to add onions to the oil. Mix that together. Add salt. So right now I will add tomatoes paste because I want to use tomatoes paste for this recipe. Okay, I would like to fry this for some minutes before adding the blended tomatoes. see how it is. It has really fried, so I'll add the tomatoes right now, the blended tomatoes. The tomatoes is so red. Mix that together thoroughly so that the tomato paste and everything will blend together. I'll cover this to cook. So after some minutes, this is what we have. It's boiling very well, so I'll add the meat stock. Add thyme, curry powder, then seasoning cube. Mix that together thoroughly. And allow it to cook for some more time. Adjust with salt if need be. I'm adding crayfish. Try this recipe and tell me how it is, because this one came out so delicious. You need to give this type of stew a try. Yes guys, it's bubbling very well. So right now I will add the offals, that is the goat meat intestine, everything. Add it and give that a good mix. This stew came out so delicious. I will still leave it for some time to cook very well. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share if possible, and if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. Okay, your subscription will actually help this channel to grow. Even your comment, even your like, it will help my channel to grow. Please. So guys, our stew is ready and it's ready to be enjoyed with rice. Okay, the stew came out so delicious, so I will encourage you to try something like this.